So here we are with Dheeraj and Nikhil from Shangri-La. So they are the beginners here.
Yes.
They did 5 kilometers run. So how was the experience?
First of all, brilliant experience. But we are not beginners, we are finishers here. Come on, Shangri-La. Yeah.
So what do you have to say regarding this?
I think really inspiring to see people from all age groups participating in this. It gives motivation to actually continue participating in such events.
Right.
Yeah, really happy.
So Dheeraj, what motivated you so much that you thought of, sponsoring this Healthy Family Dwarka Smart City Run?
See, we believe in fitness, and I think running is one way through which we can achieve fitness. We wanted to be associated with this cause because I think we are the youngest nation, as we say, and we would want a very, very fit and healthy young nation. So we thought it's a very good platform to connect with Run Sync, and if Shangri-La also gets associated with it, yes, it's a very good cause. So that's why we are here. Yeah.
That's really an amazing thing. I mean, what inspired you to participate in 5 kilometers run? I mean, Run Sync is doing a wonderful job. They've, started with this initiative of Healthy Family. So, what inspired you?
Sponsor is a woman, and it's women power. We wanted to be associated with women who are inspiring fitness amongst, all age groups. And when we saw that the kids can participate, the youth can participate, the experience can participate.
The senior generation can.
Senior generation can, I will say experience, not the senior generation. But when all of them can participate, yeah, let's support fitness. That motivated us, and yeah, we are here.
And what is your opinion, Nikhil, regarding this?
I think with the social media and the marketing of such events, it has motivated, and the campaign has run so well that it has motivated and inspired a lot of us to join in this fitness initiative, and definitely will participate in future as well. And as Shangri-La Group also, we will associate ourselves in other events.
So, what does Healthy Family means to you?
The kids run, the parents run, the grandparents run. That's Healthy Family to us. Yeah.
I think I'll completely endorse what he said. Couldn't have been said in a better way. The entire family runs, and running is, I think, one of the most important fitness mantras.
Right.
So yeah, if you can indulge yourself in running, gymming and everything else is secondary then.
As we're all aware of that, women is the one who takes care of each and everything, and if is healthy, the complete family stays healthy.
Correct.
So what message would you give to the other people around Delhi or outside Delhi?
Okay, first of all, I would like to say that if women are coming out in the open, that's a very good thing, and they are, as it is in all the fields. So when women are sponsoring, women are coming forward with this kind of an initiative, all the corporates and everybody from all walks of life should come forward and definitely participate in this. This is definitely going to promote fitness, because as women who are at the hem of affairs of everything else, when they support fitness, all the men, all the kids should come forward so that we have a fit nation in the long run. Yes.
Same. I think the women actually are playing multiple roles today, not only at home but also at workplace, taking charge of businesses, heading businesses. So I think they also need to be extremely fit, and I'm very happy to see a lot of women here, especially women from senior age or experienced women here. So I'm really glad to see that. Yeah,
Thank you so much, Dheeraj and Nikhil, for being with us on Just Play Sports. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.